Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to clear Windows Defender History Windows 10. Open Windows Security. Click Protection History. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand Windows Components. Click and expand Windows Defender Antivirus. Click Scan. Open Turn on removal of items from Scan History folder. Check Enabled. Change number of days to keep items in the folder. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.